Txog is late. He has to hurry. He doesn't want the best buffaloes to be gone already. Day purchase. An animal like this costs 50 million dong, or about 2,000 euros. Txog has to work hard for a whole year to earn that much. Which one's the best?
They want to see which one's the strongest. Everyone wants the strongest, but that one costs the most too.
I was told this is a normal weekly market, but I didn't know there would be fighting like this. I also didn't know that we were standing in the middle of the arena. While the buffalo are being sold off down here, other goods are on sale higher up. Clothes, food, souvenirs. It would be easy to believe that the mountain people had invented these colors: indigo, luminous pink, ruby red. The market in Kankau is the highlight of the week for everyone here. People come from all the mountain villages in the area around. The women are all dressed up. It's not just business deals that are made here. Friendships are forged as well. Maybe even a match for life. This is a wedding dress. Is this fashion from Kankau, or Milan, Paris, or Tokyo?
I'm sorry to disappoint you. Many of the clothes come from China. I buy them cheap there and sell them here for a bit more.
The rice farmer Txog has found a good specimen at the buffalo market. A strong bull, but still quite young, not fully grown. He's only 34 million dong. He'll be perfect for the hard work on the paddy field.
Let me tell you, a water buffalo is more important than your own wife. Without a buffalo, you can't do anything at home.
It's time to leave the mountains behind and head into the valley. My destination is Hanoi, the Vietnamese capital. Every morning, Vietnam celebrates its statehood here. The ceremonial guard has arrived to raise the flag in front of the mausoleum, where the founder of modern Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, is laid to rest. Vietnam's beloved Uncle Ho.
Ho Chi Minh is like a father to me. I love him very much. That's why I visit him once every year.
Vietnam nurtures its communist legacy, at least here at the mausoleum. These women have also turned out in force, but to quite a different tune. I'm at Huan Kim Lake, in the middle of Hanoi's old town. The Vietnamese love to morning. Lee is a student by day and a DJ by night, and yet she still manages to show up at